Dog bust at a Little Caesars led to a big health concern for customers. Mary Mills explains why the people who picked up pizzas are now being told to rest easy. Mary.
That's right. It's because one of the suspects, a now former employee, supposedly has a very serious infection, but it turns out it's an infection that is not spread through food or drink. Here in Shelbyville, people are talking about what happened at Little Caesars this week.
I was disgusted, and my whole family decided we would never eat there again.
Tuesday, police arrested store manager Sasha Fletcher and her boyfriend Joshua Parson at Little Caesars for possession of heroin and syringes allegedly found in Parson's car. An anonymous source told police Fletcher was both using and buying heroin at work.
Just the heroin alone. We don't want that kind of stuff around our food and our kids and our families.
The source also said Fletcher has hepatitis C and open sores on her arm, neither of which police could confirm. But news of the arrest did result in numerous calls to the health department.
They're very anxious, and I don't blame them because they're not educated on it.
Hepatitis C cannot be transferred through casual contact, food, sharing utensils or drinking glasses, coughing or sneezing, or breast milk. It can be transferred by needle sharing at birth when the mother's infected and sexual contact. Even though there were no violations, Parson was not an employee and yet was making pizza.
We did not close them. We did not cite them. She had already been terminated, so we didn't see a violation.
Plus, he says Little Caesars fully cooperated, voluntarily closing for a thorough cleanup. The store was open Thursday with a delivery truck in the lot, but no customers.
We eat there a lot, or did.
But she says her family won't be back.
I mean, I don't think I can get the hepatitis C, but I won't eat back there because it was allowed to happen.
And I reached out to the workers inside. They referred me to the corporate office. I did call and email them, but have yet to hear a response. Again, though, health department says there is no threat. It is safe to eat here. Ann?
All right, any idea on some of the past health inspections at that restaurant, or does this appear to be an isolated incident?
Well, Lewis says in the 6 or so years the restaurant has been here, there have been no major violations, so nothing that really, stood out on the radar.
All right.